Hey traders, Coach Robert here. Just wanted to make this quick little video, should be under 5 minutes, discussing the differences between the daily loss limit and the maximum loss limit now that we are in the one step, one rule program. So I have a spreadsheet here that's built and it has an initial balance, current balance, daily loss, and max loss. I have them all highlighted and color coded for easy viewing. And let's just run through this scenario as we gain profit and lose profit. So day one, we start with our initial balance. Daily loss is $1,000 behind. Max loss is $2,000 behind in the 50K combine. So on day one, we make $500 profit. We close the day there, and as we can see on the day close, our max loss limit is going to trail that up by $500. So we start the next day. Here's our new current balance on beginning of day two. We have $1,000 back for the daily loss, and we have $2,000 back for the max loss limit. Well, we make some more profit. We make another $500. We can see our max loss trails up. The next day we start here. 50,000 is $1,000 behind, $2,000 for the max loss. This day we lose. We didn't hit our daily loss limit. If we did, it's simply going to stop you from trading for the rest of the day, and it will reset once the market opens back up again. You will not lose your account by hitting your daily loss limit. That's subjective loss limit. So now we start our day three. Day four here. Because we lost money, there's day four. Our daily loss is now $1,000 behind, but we lost money. Our trailing max loss limit has not changed. It's the same amount. We make some money back again. This day we make $1,000, but we're not going to trail up $1,000. We're just going to trail by the high. We went from 51,000 to 51,250, $250 higher. Our max loss trails up by $250. The next day we start, daily loss limit, max loss limit. We close the day with more profit. Notice our max loss limit trailed it up. Now this is where it gets interesting, because now that our max loss limit is at our starting balance, we can see it never increases again. It doesn't trail up all the way. And these are end of day trails. These are not intraday unrealized gains, where if you're in a trade and you're making profit, that is not going to trail up. So if it drops on you a little bit, it's just going to stop you out and close your account. That is not the case. It's end of day calculations. So going back here, we lose some profit. Our next day is day 7. Our daily loss is $1,000 behind, and our trailing max loss limit has not moved. We have a bad day. We close the day here. That's the start of our day. Day 8. Notice the daily loss limit being $1,000 away is below our max loss limit. If you drop below your max loss limit, it will close the account. We cannot drop below this max loss limit. It will void the account. We didn't do it this day. Okay, we maybe got lucky in here, played around a little bit, maybe a good risk management, and we close the day right here, just above. The next day we open up. Again, our daily loss limit is below, so we cannot hit our max loss limit. It's not going to trail up and down anymore at this point. Now we have a super good day. Okay, notice this is the highest day ever, but our max loss limit is no longer going to trail. We open the day at this 52,250. The daily loss is $1,000 behind. Your max loss is still at 50,000. So you can, well, in this case, you ended up making your profit target. So congratulations, you became a funded trader. We can lose down to here, which will shift it. We can lose down again, shift it, lose down again. So in this scenario, we have a $50,000 max loss limit. As long as we don't hit $1,000, we can lose 900, then lose 900, and we'll be really close again. That's the beauty of having a max loss limit that does not trail intraday or trail unrealized profits intraday. So we think it's a winner. That's the one step. Daily loss limit will not close your account, just stops you from trading for the day. The only rule that you will lose your account is hitting that max loss limit. I hope this cleared up some questions that you may have. And as always, trade well. If you have any other questions, you can contact support.